Question 1. This sign means A. One-way road widens into 2 lanes ahead. B. Vehicles on this road travel in 2 directions. C. There is a divided highway ahead. Answer: B. Vehicles on this road travel in 2 directions. Question 2. When parked on any hill, always set your parking brake and A. Leave your vehicle in neutral. B. Keep your front wheels parallel to the road. C. Leave your vehicle in gear or the park position. Answer: C. Leave your vehicle in gear or the park position. Question 3. Even if you know your vehicle can maneuver a sharp curve at the legal speed limit, you should still slow down because A. You must legally drive below the speed limit on sharp curves. B. The strong inward pull on your vehicle can be dangerous. C. There may be a stalled car or accident ahead that you can't see. Answer: C. There may be a stalled car or accident ahead that you can't see. Question 4. If you are towing another vehicle or trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes in your direction, you may travel in A. Any of the traffic lanes in your direction. B. Either of the 2 right lanes. C. The far right lane only. Answer: B. Either of the 2 right lanes. Question 5. This lane in the middle of a 2-way street is used to A. Pass other vehicles when there is no oncoming traffic. B. Make right turns when there is no oncoming traffic. C. Begin or end left turns, or start a permitted U-turn. Answer: C. Begin or end left turns, or start a permitted U-turn. Question 6. All children under age 6 riding in your vehicle must use a child passenger restraint system unless A. They are not your children. B. A child passenger restraint system is not available. C. They weigh 60 pounds or more. Answer: C. They weigh 60 pounds or more. Question 7. You are driving at night on a dimly lit street and using high beams. You should dim your lights when you are within 500 feet of A. A vehicle approaching you from behind. B. An oncoming vehicle. C. A sharp curve or hill. Answer: B. An oncoming vehicle. Question 8. You are driving 55 miles per hour on a 2-lane highway, 1 lane in each direction, and want to pass the car ahead of you. To pass safely, you need to A. Wait until solid double, yellow lines separate the lanes. B. Increase your speed to 65 miles per hour. C. Have a large enough gap in the oncoming traffic. Answer: C. Have a large enough gap in the oncoming traffic. Question 9. You must notify DMV within 5 days if you A. Are cited for a traffic violation. B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. C. Paint your vehicle a different color. Answer: B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. Question 10. This sign means A. You may not enter the road from your direction. B. Traffic on this road travels in both direction. C. The road ahead is closed to traffic in all directions. Answer: A. You may not enter the road from your direction. Question 11. Allow extra space in front of your vehicle when following A. Passenger car. B. Station wagon. C. Large tour bus. Answer: C. Large tour bus. Question 12. It is illegal for a person 21 years of age or older to drive with a blood alcohol concentration, BCA, that is or higher. A. 0.08% 0.08%. B. 0.1% 0.1%. C. 0.05% 0.05%. Answer: A. 0.08% 0.08%. Question 13. If you approach a curve or the top of a hill and you do not have a clear view of the road ahead, you should A. Pull over and wait for conditions to improve. B. Use your high beam lights to be more visible. C. Slow down so you can stop if necessary. Answer: C. Slow down so you can stop if necessary. Question 14. When sharing the road with a trolley or light rail vehicle. A. Never turn in front of an approaching trolley or light rail vehicle. B. Always pass a light rail vehicle or trolley slowly on the right. C. Remember they are loud and move slowly like freight trains. Answer: A. Never turn in front of an approaching trolley or light rail vehicle. Question 15. Who has the right-of-way at an intersection with no crosswalks? A. Pedestrians always have the right-of-way. B. Vehicles, but they should slow down and be careful. C. Pedestrians, but only with the green walk signal. Answer: A. Pedestrians always have the right-of-way. Question 16. You are crossing an intersection and an emergency vehicle is approaching with a siren and flashing lights. You should A. Stop immediately in the intersection until it passes. B. Pull to the right in the intersection, pull to the right, and stop. C. Continue through the intersection, pull to the right, and stop. Answer: C. Continue through the intersection, pull to the right, and stop. Question 17. To see vehicles in your blind spots, you must look A. Over your shoulders. B. In your side mirrors. C. In your inside mirrors. Answer: A. Over your shoulders. Question 18. You see a car approaching from the rear. When you check your mirror again to change lanes, you no longer see the car. You should A. Look over your shoulder to be sure the car isn't in your blind spot. B. Turn your signal on and change lanes slowly. C. Check your outside mirror to see if the car is in your blind spot. Answer: A. Look over your shoulder to be sure the car isn't in your blind spot. Question 19. You park your car at the curb on a level two-way street. Before getting out of your car, you should A. Look for cars or bicycles on the traffic side of your vehicle. B. Turn your front wheels towards the curb. C. Make sure you are parked at least 2 feet from the curb. Answer: A. Look for cars or bicycles on the traffic side of your vehicle. Question 20. If you are unable to see the road ahead while driving because of heavy fog and your wipers do not help, you should A. Slow down and continue driving. B. Turn on your light beams and continue driving. C. Pull off the road completely until visibility improves. Answer: C. Pull off the road completely until visibility improves. Question 21. It is very foggy. You should slow down and turn on your A. High beam lights. B. Low beams lights. C. Emergency flashers. Answer: B. Low beams lights. Question 22. This sign means A. Narrow pedestrian bridge ahead. B. Pedestrians must yield the right-of-way ahead. C. There is a pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Answer: B. Pedestrians must yield the right-of-way ahead. Question 23. If 5 or more vehicles are following you on a narrow 2-lane road. A. Move to the right side of your lane and drive slowly. B. Pull off the road when it is safe and let them pass. C. Continue driving because you have the right-of-way. Answer: B. Pull off the road when it is safe and let them pass. Question 24. When driving near road construction zones, you should A. Slow down to watch the construction as you pass. B. Decrease your following distance. C. Pass the construction zone and carefully and avoid rubbernecking. Answer: C. pass the construction zone and carefully and avoid rubbernecking. Question 25. Which of the following is true about safety belts and accidents? A. They will trap you in your car if it catches on fire. B. They keep you from being thrown clear to safety, which lowers your chances of surviving accidents. C. They increase your chances of survival in most types of accidents. Answer: C. They increase your chances of survival in most types of accidents. Question 26. You may legally park your car in front of a driveway. A. If the driveway is in front of your house. B. As long as it is not parked for longer than 15 minutes. C. Under no circumstances. Answer: C. Under no circumstances. Question 27. When you look ahead while driving, it is best to A. Focus on the right side of your lane. B. Look only at the back of the car ahead of you. C. Look beyond the car ahead of you. Answer: C. Look beyond the car ahead of you. Question 28. You are approaching a sharp curve in the road. You should A. Start braking before you enter the curve. B. Start braking as soon as you enter the curve. C. Accelerate into the curve and brake out of it. Answer: A. Start braking before you enter the curve. Question 29. If you approach an intersection without a stop sign or signals, you A. Should always stop before driving through the intersection. B. Must yield the right-of-way to all other vehicles. C. Should slow down and be ready to stop, if necessary. Answer: C. Should slow down and be ready to stop, if necessary. Question 30. It is a good habit to signal continuously during the last 100 feet before you turn at an intersection. A. Unless you are in a designated turn lane. B. Unless your turn is protected by a green arrow. C. Even if you do not see any other vehicles around. Answer: C. Even if you do not see any other vehicles around. Question 31. Which of these is a legal U-turn? A. On a highway where there is a paved opening for a turn. B. 150 feet away from a hill or curve. C. Over two sets of double, yellow lines on the roadway. Answer: A. On a highway where there is a paved opening for a turn. Question 32. You are stopped at an intersection. The traffic light just turned green. Should you go immediately? A. Yes, but yield to any vehicle or person still in the intersection. B. Yes, or you could be given a ticket for causing gridlock. C. No, because you must first wait 5 seconds before proceeding. Answer: A. Yes, but yield to any vehicle or person still in the intersection. Question 33. Other drivers are not making room for you to merge onto a freeway with heavy traffic. If it is absolutely necessary, you may A. Drive on the freeway shoulder until a gap appears. B. Stop before merging with freeway traffic. C. Make room by forcing your way into a small gap. Answer: B. Stop before merging with freeway traffic. Question 34. If a driver looks like he or she is going to pull out in front of you, the safest thing to do is A. Honk your horn and maintain your speed. B. Slow or stop your car and use your horn. C. Use your horn and swerve into the next lane. Answer: B. Slow or stop your car and use your horn.